That's what happens.
Don't you touch that piece right there. That's your F7 pawn. F2, I'm sorry. That's by your, you don't move that piece, that's by your key. Don't look in my eyes, I'm not going to tell you if it's right or wrong.
You guys want to get into it? Or you just playing good? Playing the play?
Don't you push that F2 pawn. That's your weak pawn. Get your knight out. Where you going to move your knight to? Boom, boom. Come on. Hurry up, Lord. Around all day. Move it again. Move it. Get developed. Get developed. Get developed. Get developed. Come on. Get your rooks to the center. Get your rooks to the center.